So I've gotten my protest in before the deadline. I'm certain that I've received all the information from the CAD or the County Appraisal District.
Hmm.
And now I have driven, I've gotten all the information from realtors. It sounds like a lot is happening in this little bit of time that I'm needing to do
Hmm.
to get all this information.
Right.
Um, is there another way for me to do it, or
You mean besides working up that sweat,
yeah,
doing all of that?
sounds definitely like a lot of stuff I have to do.
Right. It's a lot of stuff you have to do in the middle of summer, and especially if your
Ugh,
car doesn't have a good AC
yeah.
and you're supposed to be taking a small vacation down to the coast in just a few days.
Ugh.
And this is not fitting into your plans. So there is an option, and you can call a professional. You can call somebody who does this all the time, who does this every year, who's done it hundreds of times, even thousands of times. And I think your best option is going to be Kirkwood and Darby. Using a firm like Kirkwood and Darby to do this kind of stuff. Now we're going to do a lot of the same things, and that we're asking you to do, but we have it a lot closer at hand.
Yeah.
So we don't have to ask a real estate agent to go find comps for us.
Yeah.
We can do that ourselves.
We don't have to drive around neighborhoods.
You don't have to drive around neighborhoods. We can, and we know how to get the information out of the appraisal district that we want.
Yeah.
And we can maybe set it up to work a little bit more efficiently than one person trying to go out there and do it
all.
themselves.
Yeah.
Right. So,
Without any
exactly.
information. Other
Without
than
any
just a to-do
information.
list.
Right. But don't get me wrong. I mean, some people walk in there and, they have they'll have very little information, but they're may give a good presentation, and they can walk out of there with a tax cut or a value reduction. Value reduction doesn't always mean that you're getting a tax cut. You always have to be careful about that. That's one thing we didn't really talk much about. We can talk about it in a little bit, but it's not to say that you absolutely have to have a professional do it, but it's just a lot easier.
Yeah.
So
Sounds like it to
right,
me.
right.